Let's quickly run through the new profit and loss report. First, navigate to the Report section from the left-hand menu. Then select the Profit and Loss Report. There are 5 different variations of this report, altering the columns that the user sees while the rows remain constant. Essentially, this modifies how the profit and loss data is presented. The first variation is bifurcated by manager and owners. Switching to the by listing variation, the same profit and loss report is presented, but it's divided by listing. We can also bifurcate by time period, including month, quarter, and year. Additionally, we have 3 filters at our disposal. For instance, if we want to view data for both 2025 and 2026, we can adjust the filters accordingly. Let's say you want to view the owner's profit and loss by listing for the year 2025. Simply apply the corresponding filters. This will display profitability by listing for owners across all listings. Similarly, the manager's profitability by listing can also be viewed. If you wish to view the profit for a specific listing month over month, selecting the by month report and selecting one or more listings from the drop-down filter will allow you to do so. You also have the option to show only non-zero rows or columns. Using the Collapse All button will help you understand the hierarchy of the profit and loss statement. At the very top level, we have the net income. This is made up of the net operating income and non-operating income. In this particular example, there are no entries under non-operating income. If you delve into the net operating income, you'll find it's composed of management profit and operating expenses. Digging further into management profit, you'll see it's made up of revenue and direct costs. If you continue to drill down, you'll notice that underneath revenue, you have your different revenue categories from the chart of accounts. Within each category, you've got your accounts from your chart of accounts. This same pattern applies to direct costs. Here, you'll find the direct cost account categories, and within each category, your actual accounts. The same goes for operating expenses and operating expense categories. Within each category, you'll see the account from your chart of accounts. You can drill into any account balance or category balance, and it will take you to the general ledger detail pre-filtered for whatever filters you've already set in the report. This way, you can see the detailed journal entry activity that makes up that balance, and even drill down into the associated reservations. The export feature works for each variation and will respect the filters that you have applied. Next, let's delve into the percentages shown in the margin. These figures are derived by dividing the given value by the revenue. As you'll notice, this computation is applied to each column presented here. In this example, this figure is calculated by dividing 6,152.23 by 6,172.23. With these steps, you can confidently generate and review your profit and loss reports whenever you need them.